I'm Fernando. I'm going to teach you how to build a robot with Arduino and 3D printed parts. This is the final product we are going to reach. This is the Arduino board, the Arduino Uno. This is the Arduino sensor shield. This is Arduino L298 driver and a sensor board and the 3D printed parts. We are going to see, I'm going to show you how to build it from the beginning. So we can begin printing the parts. Well, I have downloaded from the internet the one file with the structure of the robot. This part of the structure, and I'm going to print it with the 3D printer. So first, I open the file. Here with this program is called Cura, and I am going to generate a file for the 3D printer in the SD card. So I have it here. I insert the SD card, and I'm going to save the file here. So I have there, and now I can print the part. We have the part in the SD card. The printer is warming, and when it finishes warming, it begins to print the part. When the printer is printing, I can show you the final result of the print. In fact, we have more than one part. This is the one we are printing now. Is the main structure. But we have other parts too. We have two wheels, and we have this structure for the sensor, the sensor board. As you can see, this the front one, the two wheels, and the main structure. So, what more do we need to build the robot? We need also one arduino Uno board, one sensor shield, and one driver shield. This driver is L298, and it will drive the motors. And of course, we will need the motors. These motors are DC motors, DC micro motors. They are very little motors with a gear. And of course, we need also some screws and nuts, a bit of cable for the motors, and some more cables to make this connection from the sensor shield board to the sensor board. And well, we need the cables from the motors to the driver. So that's all we need, and of course one screwdriver and a little patience. We have the main part of the robot, and we are going to assemble the parts. First of all, the driver. This first part, the driver is assembled, it's okay. Then we will continue with the Arduino board. The Arduino board will go in the upper side of the driver. And I'm going to fix it with these parts. I have three long cylinders and one a bit more little. This one will go here. And the others will fit in these screws. They have to be in the places where the Arduino board have 4 holes. So now I can fix the Arduino board. I will keep the programming connector of the Arduino in the back side of the robot. And then the sensor shield will fit in the top of the Arduino board. That's it. So this is assembled. Now we have to proceed with the cabling of the boards and the motors. First of all, I'm going to use some cable for the motors. Then I will attach it to the motors. It may be enough joining them this way and pressing the cable, but I prefer to use a bit of soldering. And I will twist the cable. Okay. Then let's put the motors in their place. They are very long, so I will make them a little shorter. And I will connect them to the board. This is the left, this is the connector for the left motor and the one for the right motor. I forgot. I had to do this before. The motor is connected. And red one also. Now I'm going to connect the sensors. Well, this is the part of the 3D printer, and this is the sensor board. This part it has been done by us, but you can buy something very similar in the internet. There are Pololu sensor boards, for example. So we're going to put in its place, and we're going to attach to the front part of the robot. Here. But first, I will join with the cables to the sensor suite.